Today I'm going to discuss with you how to create virtual environment, friends. Yeah, how can we create virtual environment? Just a friend, just open command prompt, like open command prompt, and first we need to install friends. Uh, First, friends, we need to install virtual environment. How can we install, friends? Just see here. Pip install. Just write this command in your terminals. Virtual env. Yeah, this command will going to install in your system virtual environment. Yeah, okay. I'm not going to install that because already I'm installed. Our main focus is how can we create a virtual environment in our systems to run Python. Yeah, only. Now you see, uh, right there, one command we need to run virtual env in your virtual environment name. Virtual environment name, that is nothing but folder's name. Yeah, I'm going to create my current working directory like that. Yeah, these things here only. And there is spelling mistake, friends. Yeah, there is spelling mistake. You don't worry. Write correct spelling here. virtualenv in virtual environment name. Name should be anything, friends. Okay. Again, it's rising error, friends. Yeah. Why it's rising error, friends? Do you know? Again, a spelling mistake. Yeah. No, don't worry, friends. Type here virtualenv virtual environment in name of the virtual environment. Okay. See, it will create successfully. It take time, no issue, friends. Just see now, it's already created successfully, friends. Okay, fine. Now, may you get how can we activate these things? I created and how can we activate? Yeah, worry na. So, you don't worry. I'm going to say you need to run one command. There also command names. Yeah, command names. You need to write there source. Yeah, yeah. You can write here source and your virtual environment name. My current working directory. Yeah, current working directory and a script activate. See once it's working or not. Yeah, source is not finding here. Yeah, okay. Source is not requirement here, friends. Just to do there. Yeah, already it's activate. Yeah, this is our virtual environment name, friends. Okay. Yeah. If you want to know, you want to check um, Django is there or not in our system because I'm working with Pythons now. So how can we show Django install or not? Just run command Django and wait. Django underscore admin. See, Django is there, friend. Yeah. See, first we need to move like that in that folders. See now, use dir all this in success. No, this is not requirement. Yeah. CD. Yeah. See, now check once again. Fifth show Django is there or not. See once. Yeah. Django is not found. Okay. Once we do once again, a Django admin. Once I execute this command, see Django is there or not. Yeah, it's finding like globally installed in our system in Django. Okay, but not in that particular direct. Okay. Ignore this. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So let's clear your screen, friends. Okay, no issue. Yeah. And how can we install Django, friends? There. Tip. So Django means you can show in Django is there or not. Okay, not found. In pip install Django. You can install Django. If you are running this command, definitely we will be installed. Once you hit there, it will be installed in your systems. Yeah, okay, friends. Yeah, that's it. This is can we create a virtual environment in Python in Django? All these things. So, yeah, we covered apps. Yeah, nothing. I'm not going to um, do more and one more concept will be how can we deactivate virtual environment. Just type here deactivate. Yeah, type here deactivate. We are facing some spelling mistake again, no issue. Yeah, type deactivate. Finally it's deactivating. Yeah, seeing now there there. Okay, if you want to activate again, how can we activate? See, name of the your virtual environment, current my current working directly and script activate. Yeah, activate. Yeah, yeah, no issue. Just let's move this again, and again we need to activate. Yeah, yeah, activate. Finally it's activated. And cd current working. Cd means friends change the directory. Okay, crs and check how many folders is there. Very less folder is there na. These things are there. Okay, yes, see, and we can deactivate also there. I said before that how can we deactivate this virtual environment from the systems. Yeah, just type deactivate this. That's it. No worry about that, friends. Now we install this. After that, we need to create virtual environment. How can we create, friends? Already I told you, just on. I'm going to create there. And just create create virtual environment. Virtual unit. How can we create, friends? Yeah, yeah. Remember it's yeah. Virtual unit in virtual environment name. There will be there na virtual environment name. Name is there. My current working directory. Okay. Then after that use cd my. Then we need to activate it. Then activate. How can we activate, friends? Name my current working directory scripts and activate. It will be activated. Okay, friend. Yeah, it will be activated. Okay. Then may you ask. Then you need to use simple change directory. Change the directory. Change the directory. How can we change, friends? By using cd command. Cd my current working directory. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. And how to deactivate? Deactivate, friends. You know, no? Just type here in below. Just type deactivate. It's simple way, friends. Yeah, may you will get clear. I hope. Yeah, that's it. Nothing is there. Not much difficult. May you will get very clearly. I hope, friends. That's first we need to do this. After that, we need to create this. After that, we need to activate this. Okay. That we need to change the directory. Okay, then you can deactivate it. Okay. Okay, friends. That's simple things. Okay. Next video we will see another things also. Okay. Bye. Please like and subscribe the channels. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.